Good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed about profit and loss appropriation account. Now illustration 2. Arun and Varun are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Their opening capital being rupees 80,000 and 50,000 respectively. They earned a profit of rupees 20,000 before allowing the following. First one, interest on capital at 8% per annum, interest on drawings, that is Arun 2,000, Varun 2,500. Salary to Arun rupees 3,000 per annum. Commission to Varun rupees 2,000 per annum. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Now, as we have discussed in the last class, that is, there are basically 5 things we have to keep it in mind before doing profit and loss appropriation account. So we need net profit, we need interest on drawings, we consider interest on capital, salary and commission. These are the 5 things which are important for profit and loss appropriation account. In this particular sum, I think we have all these informations. Now, let us go with the first one, that is, we'll go with the net profit. We'll specify net profit on the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. So, we'll write by net profit. Now, where the net profit is given, we can go back to the sum and you can check. Second line, they earned a profit of rupees 20,000 is given. So, we have to specify 20,000 as net profit. Now, come back to the first information what they had given. They said charge interest on capital at 8% per annum. We know for which we have to pay the interest on capital, and the capital is given in the sum. What are the capitals? That is, for Arun they had given 80,000. And for Varun they had given 50,000 as capital. Now we have to charge interest on capital on this particular amount. Check on the debit side now. We have to write to interest on capital. For Arun's capital will be 80,000. For that we have to pay 8%, means 8 by 100. We'll get 6,400 if you calculate. Next, what is the Varun's capital? It is 50,000. For 50,000, we have to give 8%. That means 8 by 100. So, we'll get 4,000 rupees. So, we have done with the first one, that is interest on capital. What is the second information given? They said interest on drawings. Where we specify interest on drawings, it is always on the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. So, how much is interest on drawings for Arun? Arun, it is 2,000 rupees. It is given in the sum. And for Varun, it is 2,500 rupees. So, in total, we'll get 4,500 rupees. That is on the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Third one, salary to Arun. How much they had given? 3,000 per annum they had given. What do you mean by per annum? That is nothing but annual salary. So, Arun will get 3,000 rupees. You have to keep it in mind. If it is per month, we have to calculate. But since here they had given per annum, no need of calculation. We have to take it directly. So, to salary to Arun or Arun's salary, it is 3,000 rupees. Fourth one, commission to Varun. Now again, commission will come under the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. So write to commission to Varun will be 2,000 rupees. Here we have completed with all the 5 items, that is net profit, interest on drawings, interest on capital, salary and commission. Now what is the next step? We have to take the total of both the sides. Now the side which is greater, from that we have to deduct the lesser side. Now here again the credit side is greater. If you add net profit and interest on drawings, we'll get 24,500 rupees. Credit side is greater. Now from that 24,500 rupees, you have to deduct 6,400, 4,000, 3,000 and 2,000. And there will be a shortage of 9,100. The balancing figure you have to specify in the debit side as two partners capital account. So what we have to do with this 9,100 rupees? This 9,100 has to be given to the partners according to their profit sharing ratio. We know the balancing figure is nothing but the profit of the firm. Now in that 9,100 rupees, 2/3 share will be given to Arun and 1/3 share will be given to Varun. So we'll get for Arun profit of rupees 6,067 and for Varun we'll get 3,033 rupees. So if we total, then we'll get both the side 24,500 rupees. This is about illustration 2.